Hey, what's up everybody? With so many fitness trackers on the market, the Fitbit Inspire 2 is not exactly the newest tracker and also not the cheapest one, but should you still bother with this fitness tracker? So in this video, I'll be going over if the Fitbit Inspire 2 is still a worthwhile purchase by reviewing its design, battery life, user interface, fitness tracking feature, and the Fitbit app. Let's get started. The Fitbit Inspire 2 is designed to look simple with its plastic built material that is light and also feels cheap, but it will offer you water resistant. The screen, while is a black and white OLED, is also quite small and is surrounded by large bezel. The display doesn't offer any scratch resistant protection, but from my experience it has held up quite well and doesn't show noticeable scratches. To turn on the screen, you can either squeeze the two sides, lift up your arm, or tap on the screen. The display has excellent indoor visibility, but outdoor visibility is a hit and miss. It really depends on what watch faces you have selected. The provided strap is comfortable and an extra large strap is provided in the box for your convenience. To change the watch strap, you just need to press on the release tab, and if you don't like the provided watch strap, there are plenty of third-party watch strap available to purchase. I get around 8 to 9 days of battery life, which is quite close to the 10-day battery life claimed by Fitbit. To charge the Inspire 2, you'll need to snap on the charging cable, which is also really short that I have no choice but to leave the Inspire 2 laying on the floor until it is fully charged. And the charging time is also quite slow. It took me around a full hour to go from 8% to 100%. The design of the user interface is simple and responsive. It mainly consists of swiping up and down and sometimes right and left, but this simplicity does have its limit, like the screen brightness can only be set as dim to on and off, and you can't change when the screen will turn off. Quick gesture feature like squeezing both sides to enable water lock or do not disturb is useful, especially water lock, but I also tend to forget to turn it on. The Inspire 2 has 21 watch faces available to be selected in the Fitbit app, and the Inspire 2 will support notification like message or calls for iOS and Android, but only Android will support quick reply. One thing to keep in mind for notification in iOS is quite passive. For example, after I finish a phone call, it will still say active call within my notification until I clear that notification. This was a problem at first, which will always result me in looking at my phone thinking I'm still in a phone call, only to realize the notification on the Inspire 2 is inaccurate and needs to be clear. The Inspire 2 has tracking features like your step, calories, sleep, stress, heart rate, and many more. It has support for 20 different workout modes, which is plenty for me, and Smart Track will automatically detect your exercise and record it. I found this feature was only accurate half of the time. My main exercise is walking, and half of the time the Inspire 2 would categorize the exercise as outdoor bike, and the other time it would get it right as walking. I found this disappointing because bike and walking are usually travel at two different speeds, and I would assume a fitness tracker can distinguish between the two. Step and calorie count provided questionable data as well, because in one of my days, I spent most of that day sitting in my car or on a chair, and somehow I managed to walk around 2,000 steps and burn about 2,003 calories. The number seems high, especially for the number of calories I was able to burn for that day. Sleep tracking was the opposite. The data was quite accurate with the sleep and awake time. I like how the graph provided in-depth information about my sleep, and a sleep score is given for my quality of sleep. Stress tracking was also accurate and more useful than I expected, but you do need the premium subscription to get a full breakdown of what the scores mean. Heart rate tracking is also useful and breaks down the information in an easy to understand form. The Fitbit app offers a lot of useful resources and is easy to use. I like how it offers features like mindful reading, which educates the user on eating habits, and it offers daily goals for the user to strive for. But in order to get all the full features, you do need to subscribe to Fitbit Premium. A 1-year trial of Fitbit Premium is already included with the purchase of the Fitbit Inspire 2, but you will need to pay for the subscription after the 1 year. Another useful resource is Health Metric, which provides an in-depth information for me to better understand my health. It breaks down the information by breathing rate, heart rate variability, skin temperature, and resting heart rate. The Fitbit Inspire 2 is simple and easy to use. I purchased the Fitbit Inspire 2 on sale at $60 and its regular price is around $100. But even at a sales price, I do not recommend the Fitbit Inspire 2. It just doesn't offer enough to justify the cost with its small screen. outdoor visibility limitation, limited selection of watch faces, and questionable tracking data like step count and calorie. There are better alternative fitness tracker like the Huawei Band 6 or even the more expensive Fitbit Charge 5 will offer a better experience. So what fitness tracker do you enjoy using and why? Let me know in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one.